Hi, I'm Dave Pike, the Connector Geek, and welcome to the latest in our series of unboxing videos. Today we're going to be looking at a series of products that have been sent to us by Harting. Now, if you've spent any time on a factory floor around industrial equipment, then you've probably seen a connector that looks something like this. Large rectangular housing providing the disconnect for big bits of equipment. And in fact, the chances are good that you've seen one with the name Harting written on the side of it. Harting is a well-known name in the world of industrial connectivity. They produce a range of products for just this type of application, including this. This is the HAN series. This is their large industrial connector that does a range of different jobs across industry. Now, standard HAN has a number of different options where you can specify a single piece insulator that goes inside the housing, providing the right number of pins, the right current rating for your application. But sometimes that just isn't flexible enough. What's inside this connector comes from the HAN Modular range. Now, the Modular range is a series of individual modules that get put together to create a customized connector. Using this frame and these modules, you can actually put together a completely unique design that fits into a standard housing like this. Now, the options are huge. We have standard power, data and signal inserts, but as well as that, there are options to provide networking, fiber and even pneumatics through this same connector. The advantage being that if you've got that kind of custom design, one connector will provide the entire disconnect for a large piece of machinery. The ease with which these get put together, it should be evident. These modules are designed to slot together with little mouldings on the outside. They almost go together like Lego blocks. They then get put inside this housing, put inside these frames that go into the housing to provide the unique design. Now, one of the problems you've got is that there are so many options that it could be overwhelming for the customer. So I've got a couple of top tips for you when thinking about this kind of product. The first is to plan ahead, is to think about exactly what you want this connector to do, what pins it needs, what functions it needs to provide, and then go onto the website and find the modules that will suit that application. Secondly, do bear in mind the environment in which this product is going to be used. Many of these housings are waterproof, some are even IP69K sealed, so they're usable around high pressure sprays when you need to use them, for example, to clean down machinery in between use. But do bear in mind that all of these different options all go into the same housing and they can provide you with a unique connector without going through the hassle of having to design a custom product with the cost and delay that would normally entail. So this is a very powerful connector series, and Harting are always coming out with new options, not just in terms of the modules, but in terms of how they're terminated. There's screw versions, there's push-in options, there are crimp and solder versions. These are all available so that you can terminate them easily with your application. But one of the other products that they do revolves around the food and beverage industry. Now, this is their HAN F&B product. This is designed to be used in the food and beverage industry where there are specific requirements for things like the housing design. So if we take a look at the housing itself, you'll see it looks very ergonomic. There's no sharp edges, there's no crevices where contamination could settle. They are designed to be used in the kind of environment where food might actually get off the production line. And so these need to be washed down. So you can see there's no crevices, everything is wiped down. They're also sealed again to IP69K so that you can wash them with high pressure sprays should you need to. The inserts actually have a very similar arrangement to the type of thing that we've just seen with the HAN Modular. The housing is standard, but what you can do with the insert and what you can do with the actual functionality of the connector is hugely flexible. This could be a power connector, this could be a network connector, it could be a combination of several. But the features of this connector on the outside are what make it absolutely ideal for the food and beverage industry. But not just that. Now, I'm always interested in connectors that are used in applications for which they weren't originally designed. Sure, these might have been designed specifically for one application, but there are many other situations where you need a washable, wash-down connector. Let's look at the pharmaceutical industry where cleanliness is absolutely paramount, and so you need a connector that's going to do the same thing in that environment. Let's take it outside. Let's look at agricultural applications. It may seem a bit of an overkill for some of the latest agricultural situations, but farmers are using high pressure sprays to wash down their industrial equipment, much of which is using some very high technology nowadays. This type of connector is ideal because it has that kind of robust, waterproof finish, and it has the same functionality that Harting offer in many of their other connectors. So there we've seen a couple of products within the Harting range. The hand product, the hand modular connector, with its standard rectangular housing, is tried and trusted around the world, but what Harting are providing is the flexibility for customers to be able to do exactly what they want. The F&B product, designed for one application but usable in so many, has that option to be both washed down, wiped down and fully sealed. So take a look at the Harting series on RS Web. Have a quick look on the website, see the documentation that's available. There is a complete range of products with the documents that go with it so that you can start to select the inserts, the options that you need to do the design that you need. Thank you very much for watching. Do take a look at the Harting products on RS Web, and we'll see you again another time.